Good day, good day. Well, let's try it with some water. Okay, so burp is pushing air down. Now, when you drink water and you swallow, you kind of drink it and let it down. You kind of let it down and swallow it. You don't really have to push it that much, right? You kind of do a little bit. You kind of got to push it down. So like with the burp, you close your mouth and push it down. And you get a burp. So let's push some water down. Try to push the water down. Practice on pushing the water down. Like try to practice with water and push the water down and push the water down, not just letting it flow down. Water flows down. Water's always flowing down. How does it stay on a ball? How does it stay on a globe if water always goes down? Yeah, so I also learned how to drink without closing my mouth, without pushing it down. Maybe that's different. That's like just letting it down. It's kind of like opening it up and letting it down. So that's how I learned. I'm trying to teach a burp. I'm working on teaching a burp of pushing the water down. No, you pushed water down. You're gonna burp water. Just practice pushing the water down, like that feeling. Now try to do that same feeling with putting.
How did you see that?
Now put some air in your mouth, like it is water, and push it down like you're swallowing it, just like you just swallowed the water. Did you feel a bubble go down? But sometimes you have to push a lot of bubbles in before it can come up. You don't want to force it up. It'll come up.
I got a little baby one.
Yeah, you can feel it go down, and sometimes you have to feel it go down, feel it go down, feel it go down, and then it'll come up.
Why?
I don't know. I burped in a video, and now everybody wants to see it. And people, not everybody, a lot of people are asking me for more burps, and they want to know how to burp, and they want to hear me burp, and they call me the burp king.
Yeah, well, who cares?